Hello guys and welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I will tell you that how to calculate Etsy fees. So let's suppose that you are running a store on t-shirts, that you are selling t-shirts on Etsy, and you actually wanted to know that how Etsy works, or how you can actually how you can basically actually calculate the Etsy fees, that how much Etsy will charge you. Then this video is right for you. Okay, so you need to go to this website, which is the podcs.com, and podcs.com is offering multiple tools, and it also offering you the ETSY fees calculator and your profit calculator. So first of all you need to sign up for. Okay, so when you are up onto this website www.podcs.com, then you will click on get started for free, and after this you just have to enter your email address, or you can actually log in with your Google or Facebook account. So I will just go with my Google account here. So okay, so we just have to enter the email here, and then we have to enter the password here. So I will just enter the password here, and then I will re-enter the password here, and then I will tap on I am not a robot here, and then I will just sign up. Okay, I agree, and I will just sign up here, and sign up successful, and it will actually get me to the account. Okay, so we have to open up our Gmail account basically, and I will open up my Gmail account, and I will open up that specific account here, and it should have the link to we have to activate the account. Okay, so here it says that we sent an account activation to this email, but I didn't receive any kind of email here. So let's check it again. Okay, I didn't get the account information here. Okay, so now you see that we have get this email here. So we just have to click on the link below to activate your account. So we will just click on this link here, and you can see that. Then click on jump now, and it will open up the PODCS, sorry. Okay, so now here you can see that we have this ETSY tools, profits calculator, product research, and keyword research. So we actually need this one, which is the profits calculator here, and we will just click on the start option here, and it will open up the profits calculator into the next web page here. Okay, so here we have to enter our cost. Okay, and the right hand side here it will show us that how much ETSY fees will be, and our profit will be. So for the sake of this tutorial, let's suppose that we are selling t-shirts on ETSY, and here you can always set the shop currency and show results in currency. So for this tutorial I will stick to USD, but you can always open up this drop down menu, and you can select whichever currency you want. So for this I will use USD. Okay, so let's suppose that we are selling the t-shirts on ETSY, and we are selling our t-shirt for 19.99, and we are charging the shipping cost basically 2.99, and let's suppose if we are actually giving the discount of 5%. Okay, and now here you can see that listing revenue. Okay, so this is the price of our t-shirt, and this is the price of shipping, and the total we are charging for one t-shirt is 21.98 USD, which also includes the discount of 5%. Okay, so now we have to enter your cost. Okay, because we are actually offering one t-shirt for 21.98 USD. So here we have to enter our own details that how much the t-shirt is costing us. Okay, so let's suppose that the material costs us 9.99, and the shipping that cost us let's suppose 3.99. and if you have labors, if you have a huge company, if you have employees, then you can actually add their cost here as well, and other costs as well. So now here you can see that we are listing our t-shirt for 21.98, and the t-shirt cost us 13.98. and here we have the ETSY fees, which is the listing fees is 0.20 USD, transaction fees is 1.43, payment processing fees is 0.91, and total ETSY fees is 20.54. and now total cost is 21.98. Total our cost, which the t-shirt actually we get the t-shirt in 13.98 and we are selling it on 21.98. so the total fees that we have is 20.54, which is the ETSY fees, and the estimated profit that we get is 5.46 USD per t-shirt. So this is a very great tool for actually calculating the ETSY fees. And if you don't know what are these fees, you can always click on this question mark here, and it will get you to this ETSY fees explained page here, where it is explaining all the fees for you, that which is that what is the listing fees, what is the transaction fees, what is the payment processing fees. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.